Hi, this is Mike Chicaro with MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'm here today to talk to you about a recent trade-in that we took, a 2011 Sea Ray 300 Select. I'm starting here on the stern of the boat on this generous size swim platform. We've got a swim ladder on the port side, and we've got a storage box on this side that drains overboard. So you can put all your drinks and ice, or your fish if you decide to go fishing on this boat, right in there, and all the ice and the water will drain right overboard. The boat also, I want to point out, has a shower head in the back and rear facing seats so that you can enjoy watching someone skiing on the boat, or if you're just hanging out at the cove, you can look back and watch everybody swimming out in the water. Let's go forward on the boat. This boat has a unique wraparound rear seating area, which can accommodate about 6 people. Plenty of cup holders, seating here which faces aft, or you can use it as a lounge, or you can use it as a lounge facing forward. A lot of index storage under the cushions, under the deck. We have a sink over here. Inside of here is a refrigerator, and we have a uniquely designed trash can. Boat comes with a fixed top built around a fiberglass arch with canvas on it. This boat comes with a complete enclosure and a tonneau cover as well, so that's a bonus. Moving forward, we have the Helm area. The boat is equipped with dual 350 mag cruisers. It also has a Garmin GPS, manual gauges, stereo control. The boat has a captain's seat that can accommodate 2 people. It's got a flip-up bolster, so you can either sit and look below the glass, or you can sit on top and look above the glass. This boat also has carpeting in the cockpit, and it has a room for 2 tables, one in the aft and one forward as well. The boat includes also a generous sized head and a sink. One of my favorite features on the boat is the wind dam that it comes with the boat. So if you're out on a cold or windy day, you close this, you close the window, you close the enclosure, and all the cold air stays on the outside of the boat, and you stay nice and warm. Inside of this compartment is the breaker panel, also storage for the tabletops that fit in both the stern and the bow area of the boat. Moving forward, this is the second location for the second table. Plenty, again, of more cup holders. We have an anchor and a windlass, and an enormous amount of storage underneath here. You can use this for lounging. You can face forward, you can face aft. It's a perfect day boat to get you and your family out on the water. We hope to see you out on the water this summer. My name is Mike Chicaro. I'm with MarineMax in Somers Point. Our number is 609-926-0600.